Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. My name's Michael. I'm here today to talk to you about the Terahertz project, which is an Ergo-specific music publishing platform that's focused on decentralized solutions to give more power to artists, to connect the fans directly to the artists that they like to listen to, and to create new mechanisms for the fans and the artists to connect with each other, financially speaking and socially speaking. So the entire platform is focused on my experience being a record label owner over the past decade, even further as a DJ and as a performer, as the son of a musician whose family has been in the audio industry his entire life, creating speakers and other technology. So there's just so much that I want to bring to this platform from my own history and from my experiences in working with artists throughout my life and what they need in the digital space, which really hasn't been provided to them up until this point. Or if it has, it's been provided at a great cost. So let's go into some basics at the beginning. Since, I guess, Spotify came about, or other digital streaming services, digital streaming platforms are called DSPs. Since they came about, we have seen a drastic drop-off in the actual purchasing of music. And I'm not the only person that's observed this in our own Bandcamp trends and our own, DSP sales aggregation trends. There's many labels and many publishing houses that have had this similar experience since the DSPs have taken over. The profits have gone very, very, very far down because no one's actually buying an album anymore. Now they're just streaming it. They pay $10 a month and they stream the album. And now instead of paying $10 for the album, they probably paid less than a cent to listen to the entire album, which is great for the listener, but the value proposition is not very substantial on the other end. So where does the actual profit go, which supported an industry over many, many years, and the growth of that industry? So we're seeing this rise of fast-produced music by bedroom producers with AI mastering. We're seeing a lot of quality control not even existing anymore, which is what labels and publishing houses used to do. So what needs to happen, right? We are creating some theories on that. Some theories that involve decentralization, encryption. We think that the musicians have been both taken advantage of, but that they also need to do some learning and some understanding on their own of why they were able to be taken advantage of in the recent history of digital music, and why we need to create some sort of stand against what's happening right now with the DSPs. Otherwise, we're going to see a discouragement of being a musician in life. There's too many people making music to these people. They don't see value in it. I think that there is value inherently if someone wants to provide value to it. So connecting the artist directly to the fan is one of the most important things that we can do. And then let them deal with what they want to do. It's not my position to make profit at that point. So some things to understand about Terahertz is that we are decentralized because we provide all of our code open source and the ability to stand up your own infrastructure, your own version of our front end, so to speak. You don't have to connect to a centralized database. You could use the entire platform in a decentralized manner because it connects to the Ergo blockchain. You can display all data and connect and interact with the website via a wallet. For standard musicians who are getting used to the platform, who are joining for the first time, who don't know what crypto is, we also have a user account system, which is actually on a centralized database, not centralized to the world, but centralized to us because we have it on a server and we have the keys to that server, and we are protectors of that database and all of the secrets within it. And so in that sense, we do have some control over the user system. And so when I say decentralized, there is also a part of us that isn't. And the part of us that isn't is also a for-profit model DAO, which is run by the community that can run itself as a business.